welcome to my channel. My name is Robert Mihalache. I am a Class 2 lorry driver. I am driving rigid vehicles. I am driving Class 2 vehicles. I am driving Category C vehicles. At the moment, I'm just cooperate with an agency. Just they schedule me some work during the week with different companies, and then I end up driving those big fat lorries. Today I've got this man with me. I haven't got the lady with me now. I've got the man. I've got my bodyguard. He's gonna be my bodyguard. He's gonna protect. He's gonna bring me exactly where I need to be. Can you imagine this thing? Nah, of course not. So what we're doing today, or what we done today? Today we just been from Manchester to Scarborough, somewhere in York postcode. Imagine, it's like 140 miles or 200 miles or something like that altogether. We just drove this lorry. I mean, when I say we, it's like me and this bodyguard. We just been together. We just been loaded with another 14 pallets of food stuff. It's just dry food stuff. It's just delivering those. Just bring the lorry in their yard, and someone with the forklift, they just unload me, or basically said they just unload us, because it's me and this bodyguard. Yeah. And now guess what? I've had 14 pallets, and then I had another pallet, and guess where that pallet is going? Back to Manchester. Of course. So why in the world you need to put that pallet here, while in the meantime you could have delivered it with just a van? Even if you put in your own car, by now it would have been delivered. But it's not my problem. This is how they schedule it. I'm just going further and further, and that's it. I'm just doing my job. Just bring back the lorry safely, including myself, and all the customers to be happy, and that's all that matters, you know. So if you're looking into my channel, I've got a lot of videos around there, but unfortunately most of them are in Romanian language. So if you're not fancy that means you can stay all day and translate every single word, because it's gonna take a lot of time. So I'm just thinking just to make all these videos from now on into English language, so it will improve somehow my accent and my language, both on the same side, on the same time. So yeah, I'm just driving this vehicle. I have to switch the lane. I have to make sure nobody's there, and then I have to check the other mirror as well and then I'm just gonna be here. I'm just gonna thank you to some drivers who they just let me in, but it's not gonna happen now, because anyway he changed the lane, and just focusing to get home early. I've got 42 miles until I reach the next delivery point. It's just a whole pallet of stuff. So basically I've got a curtain sided vehicle. It's a 26 tonner, and you can do it on the back. You can open the doors, you can place the pallet on the back, or you can put the pallet on the tail lift and then bring it down and deliver it, or you can just open the side curtains, and then it will be much easier for the forklift driver to come and pick it up. So basically this kind of job is a proper job for drivers. So if you're looking to achieve your Class 2 lorry license, or a Category C lorry license, yeah, then go ahead, take it, do some experience, and then in future years you can take class 1 as well. So basically it's the same thing, but there are two concepts. So it's like category C or C1, also known as 18 tonner, 26 tonner, 7.5 tonner. This you can call them rigid vehicles. And on the other hand, you've got articulated vehicles, which are like this one right here. You need to have your class 1 license to drive one of those. So if you want to drive what I can drive, you need category C. You need class 2 lorry license. So after you pass that, you'll need some experience. You'll need to drive on the road. You'll need to drive certain hours. You'll need to respect your taco. You'll need to respect your hours. You'll need to respect your brake. So don't try to work like a Superman. Just work as little as you can, earn as much as you can. So how can be this achieved? By taking your category C and then going a step further into class 1, you will take even more money, and then hopefully you'll become richer. Yeah. So this is one of my first videos that I want to do in English language, and I'm waiting your comments on it. I'm waiting your likes, your shares. I'm waiting your support, and also don't be afraid to be in touch with me. Just be polite, be nice, be respectful to everyone, and maybe we can have a whole community of truck vlogging. I'm living in Manchester, in northwest England, and I'd like to have some friends in these areas, in those areas, somewhere in the northwest. Well, I'd like to make friends all over the places, but it just takes a lot of time, and most of my time I'm at work, and I haven't got so much time on disposal to find really good quality friends. So I'm guessing by doing truck vlogs I'll find the people that I need, people that I'm looking for. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share my content, and support. It's very important for a lorry driver to have a support. Don't forget that.